Major General Feroz Khan, the deputy head of crime intelligence, is fighting for his life after he was shot in Houghton, Johannesburg, late on Sunday night. The shooting comes just days before Khan was due to testify before the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry, which is investigating alleged corruption within the South African Police Service. Khan has been under scrutiny after electronic devices seized during an earlier investigation were identified as key evidence in the commission's probe, and he had previously failed in court attempts to stop authorities from accessing them. Police have not yet confirmed the motive for the attack or announced any arrest, while the SAP says maximum resources have been deployed to investigate the attempted assassination. Thanks a lot for watching this video until the end. Please do consider leaving your thoughts down below in the comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video as well, and I will see you on my next upload.